Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading the markets today. And again, want to thank you guys for the support on the channel. If you like the content, if you like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, I thought I would take a look at the most profitable or the best return on money stock within the portfolio. This is a video idea from Kristen R, essentially asking that question, what is the best stock pick so far in the portfolio? So I went through the portfolio and found the best stock, which is up on screen here, BA Boeing. By far the best stock pick in the portfolio. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll kind of take a look at the company dynamics here. A lot of you guys probably know Boeing. It's an aerospace company, essentially jetliners, airplanes, but it also has a very large defense component as well as space component as well. It works with NASA and some other government organizations. So it has a commercial sector, has a defense sector, and it has a sort of a space exploration sector as well. And as you can see here, the About page is rather long here, probably the longest About page I've found within the Robinhood portfolio here. So a lot of different things that Boeing does. If we take a look at its graphs up top, you can see the tremendous performance over the last 1 year and 5 years. The last 1 week it is down a bit here at 0.69%. Last month it is up 3.01%. And as we go into the 3-month, 1 year, and 5 year graphs, you can really see the performance here. 3 months, 23.88%. Phenomenal performance over the last 3 months here. 1 year, 98.72%, and over the last 5 years, 297.1%, which is quite remarkable for a company that's a fairly established blue chip company. You don't really see that in those sorts of companies. You see this more in up and coming small cap companies like a Netflix, Amazon, Google, that sort of stock. But for established companies, blue chip companies, you don't really see this kind of performance, but it has really taken off here. 297.1 over the last 5 years and 98.72 over the last 1 year. If we scroll down here, you can see I have one stock. Unfortunately, I only added one stock when I first opened up the portfolio, and you can see the total return in the middle, which is accurate since I've only had one transaction with this stock. I bought one share, have done nothing else with the stock. You can see it's up 96.31%, 126.33, which is phenomenal. Again, by far one of the best stocks in the portfolio. And total return today down 1.24%. So if you add that to the total return there, the stock is up 98%, 95.5%, 97.5% at least, 97.5, 98% over the last 1 year of holding this stock. So absolutely phenomenal. If we go down to the statistics here, you can see it also has a very good dividend yield. 2.801% dividend yield, which is fairly good with regards to the payout ratio as well. So earnings per share currently $7.61. Last year, $11.32 this year. So earnings have been off the charts there. The dividend has been $4 and $5. So the dividend payout ratio is only in the 40 to 50% range. 63% 2016, but every other year 40%, 50%, and really before that in the 30%. So that's a very, very healthy dividend. The PE ratio, price to earnings ratio, is also very good for this particular market segment, 22.74, which is not that high. That's because of the very, very strong earnings. Like I said, this year 11.32, last year 7.61. So very, very good earnings. And you can see here on the bottom, the dividend has also been increasing. You can see here, I only have one share, so it's fairly easy to calculate this. So one share, 109. You can see it's increased to 142 over the last 3 dividend payments there on March, June, and September 2017. So a very good stock. Very, very strong performance over the last 1 year here. Again, up 96.31% total return. Factoring in today's kind of pullback here, 1.24%, 97.5% over the last 1 year of holding this stock. So this is the best stock in the portfolio. Again, thanks to Kristen R for the video idea here. BA Boeing. Wish I would have jumped in for more shares, but even when I bought this stock, it was fairly pricey, 131.17. So Kind of a pricey stock when I jumped in. Wish I would have jumped in for more, but not quite sure how long this is going to continue. I know there's a lot of competition in this particular segment. Airbus is its main rival, and I think it's been losing some market share to Airbus over the last few years, but it's very, very profitable right now, up 297.1 and 98.72% over the last year. And my total return here, 96.31. So that is the best stock in the portfolio. Let me know if you guys are doing anything with Boeing, if you are jumping out of the stock, you think it's kind of trended up here too quickly, going to jump out with an anticipated pullback in the market maybe, or maybe you're adding to Boeing, even though it's increased quite remarkably over the last 3 months and 1 year, maybe you're adding to your shares. Either way, let me know what you're doing. I'm going to hold steady. A little bit too pricey right now in my particular opinion, but let me know what you guys think about Boeing. So yeah, best stock in the portfolio so far, BA Boeing. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.